I had an open hour during a work day, so I went out to get some coffee and noticed this patch of trees looking all fall-like. So I busted out my super portable Osmo Pocket 3 kit that I carry around with me and decided to capture some B-roll. Then when I was done, I thought to myself, why not make a YouTube video out of it? So today I will share with you my super compact Osmo Pocket 3 travel kit. Now the name of the video is Everything You Need, Not Everything You Want. This video focuses specifically on what you need for everyday carry. But first I have to establish how I feel about gear in relation to accessories. If a camera system is made and sold to be compact, well, by God, I aim to keep it that way. For example, I will do heavy lifting and some pain in the ass work to get results out of this, to get results out of this, to get results out of the Sony A7 IV that I'm shooting on. However, on the other hand, this right here, this right here, and like this guy right here. These are cameras that I get to be lazy with, but specifically with the Osmo Pocket 3, it's only fun for me if I can be lazy about it and still achieve great results. And here is the setup that I use every day for that camera. First is the bag. I use the standard Osmo Pocket 3 bag that you can buy through the DJI store or on Amazon. I later saw that Ulanzi makes a bigger Osmo Pocket 3 camera bag, and I kicked myself momentarily for not buying it. But then I thought, whoa, slow down, asshole. The whole point here is to travel light and compact. Let's make this a challenge. I carry my entire Osmo Pocket 3 setup in this little pouch every day. First, I should mention the Osmo Pocket 3 standard plastic casing that comes with the camera. The plastic Osmo Pocket 3 casing I've never gotten rid of. It's multifunctional and it protects the camera's gimbal inside of whatever casing you're carrying it in. I didn't want to carry around with me the battery extension on the Osmo Pocket 3, but I do have bigger hands, so when connected, it just makes for a better grip. The grip also connects to my tripod legs that I use for the Osmo Pocket 3. And no, I am not talking about the standard DJI tripod legs, which work fantastic. Those are a little too big for me with my everyday carry. So instead, I found these little guys on Amazon. Sure, they're not as stable as the Osmo legs, but then again, I'm never putting this thing on too uncertain of ground anyway. I always set it down in areas that are safe. So these little legs work fine. You simply just set it on whatever flat surface you're working with and gently press down and they open. This saves so much room in my bag. For this little run and gun vlog setup, I carry with me a DJI Mic Mini. I intentionally don't carry my 2s with me. I carry the Mini because, you know, light and space saving is the name of the game. I've Bluetooth connected it to my Osmo Pocket 3 and it fires up immediately when I turn it on, which is fantastic. I put my Mic Mini here with the dead cat on and put it inside my bag. For that 1/50 on the shutter for smooth video, you need an ND filter. I did originally buy the Polar Pro filters for this kit. Anytime Polar Pro releases a product, I get ready to assault my bank account. Use them for a while, they work fantastic, but I needed something even lazier without the cost of quality. Something about me is that I almost always use a mist filter whenever I do video, and I wanted my Osmo Pocket 3 footage to be no different. So upon doing some research, I found these 2 to 5 and 6 to 9 stop mist variable ND filters from Freewell, and they work just fine for me in all of my use cases. The original image that comes out of the Osmo Pocket 3 and most modern cameras is a little too clinical for me. I always like a good mist filter. Kind of reminds me of watching TV or movies on a TV in the 90s. There's just a comforting softness that you get with the image that I can't get away from because I'm old. I carry them in this little case that it came with, and I stick it right here in my DJI Osmo Pocket 3 pouch. Also with filters, if I'm in areas of low light where I don't need to put on an ND filter for the 1/50, I use a standard black mist filter from K&F Concepts. I don't take any kind of lighting system with me because whenever I use my Pocket 3, it's almost always outdoors. If you are a content creator looking to up your game with your YouTube videos, you need good music. I use Melody for the background music in all of my YouTube videos. Go to their website at melod.ie today and use my link in the description for a generous discount off of your Melody music subscription. Again, that is melod.ie. I put the smallest microfiber cloth in my pouch with me. Place it right here. It's the case that I'm losing a little bit of juice and I'm out and about. I'll pop into a cafe, get myself a $3 black mud coffee, and I will plug in with this power source right here. You can find any sort of slim-bodied power source on Amazon. Find any that works for you. This one works for me, although it gets a little hot, but it's fine. It's usually just for a quick bump here and there. And I carry with me a USB-C to USB-C power cable. With my Mic Mini, there's no connection option to charge it. So what I have done is I have looked on eBay and I have found a singular little dock that can charge my DJI Mic Mini with me whenever I hit the road. Still waiting for that little piece to arrive, but this is my level of obsession I have these days when it comes to light travel. It should fit perfectly into the pouch right around here. Also too, if you're not using the Mimo app by DJI, what the hell are you even doing? That app is incredible. The way it allows you to wirelessly transfer your footage to your phone with using the app, convert to Rec 709, and to throw a wide variety of filters on, it completely bypasses the need for a computer. If you're out and about, you can whip together shorts and reels and what have you, all from just a portable workstation, considering that you have a cell phone. I've recently done a deep dive into this app and it is fantastic. So that's it. Just this little pouch for an amazing run and gun, vlog, B-roll setup, hell, even talking head YouTube videos if that's what you use your Osmo for. And if you accompany this setup with some compact camera like a Ricoh GR3X, which I use every day, what a fantastic content creation kit you have with you at all times. So that's it for this short video. What are your accessories? What accessories would you add or take away? I highly recommend giving your compact cameras a compact setup as you travel with you. If you don't think you will like it, I bet you also think that there's coffee in this cup. There isn't. I actually filled the whole thing up with whiskey before shooting this video.